Today we will be going over the Diagnostic Solutions GI Map test kit. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that all the supplies are in the test kit. You're going to see the test request form, the collection tray, the orange capped vial, the biohazard bag, 2 gloves, an absorbent pad, and the FedEx clinical pack. Before doing anything else, you want to make sure that you have your name and your date of birth on the orange capped vial. When you are ready to collect your sample, make sure that you void all urine beforehand. Put on both gloves and use the collection tray to collect your stool. You can then grab your orange capped vial, twist off the lid, and you will see a scoop attached to the lid. Use this scoop to spoon different areas of the stool and place into the vial. Make sure that you put enough stool into the vial that the line is covered, and you'll see that right here. When that's done, screw the lid back onto the vial and then shake vigorously for 30 seconds. You can then place the capped vial into the biohazard bag. At this point, you should fill out the test request form completely and be sure to write down the date of the sample completion on this form. After doing so, you can then place the test request form into the box with the sample. Before shipping, just double check to make sure that the vial is labeled correctly and everything is filled out completely. Also, make sure the vial is sealed in the Ziploc baggie and the test request form is in the box. At this point, you can locate the FedEx clinical pack. Fill in your name and address on the shipping label attached to the outside of the mailer. You can then place the kit into the FedEx clinical pack and then seal it shut. When this is done, you can then drop your FedEx package off at the FedEx drop location, or you can call FedEx to set up a pickup time. The number is in the instruction manual. If you have any further questions on how to use the GI Map kit, feel free to call our office or we will be happy to assist you.